The answer is simple. It's a very easy programming language. It's not like very easy compared to Ruby, but or even compared to Python, but it's still very easy. The echo command was the best command ever in the programming history. The best thing is that it's open source. It's a first pure dynamic language. Yes, there was a Perl, which was also a dynamic language. Who remember the Perl days? It was a good Perl dynamic language, but still it failed. And the good thing is that nowadays you can use PHP as a object-oriented programming language, or OP, object-oriented OOP programming language. Another thing is that WordPress use PHP at the backend. Majority of the website use PHP for dynamic. What is a PHP? A dynamic programming language used to pull the data, retrieve the data with the database such as MySQL or whatever the database you're using. A regular programming language, or we call it like a little bit like statistic, like JavaScript. Yes, you can do scripting with JavaScript using AngularJS. I know I don't want to go into argument. Do not try to think that I'm idiot. Yes, I can be an idiot, but I'm talking about the PHP here. If you want to use the best programming language, use PHP. It's no brainer. PHP. A lot of people ask me, Jimmy, what language should we learn? Should we learn Java? I say, guys, learn PHP. Even in a developing country, you can get a job. In a developed country, you can get a job. Maybe you have to migrate to somewhere, you can get a job with PHP. PHP. People will not understand. People want to know, I want to learn Ruby. I want to learn Python. Python. That thing pay you is PHP or JavaScript. Again, it depends. But JavaScript, you need to like pick a field. You need to pick one of the framework. With PHP, without using any framework, without using the what is called Laravel Cake or Laravel framework or the Cake framework or the Ignite framework of PHP, you can get the job done. Stick with PHP. It was me, none other than Gmail. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. I know you wanna ignore me. It's too hot out here. Subscribe and bye. Yeah, really. Yeah, make sure to check out links in the description box. Also, let me know what is your favorite programming language. Mine is PHP. No argument, no debate. PHP is the king. PHP is the king. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.